Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the pixel art effect to your video in CapCut. So here you just need to add your clips and then just go straight to the video effect. So you can find the pixel art effect under the comic category. Just swipe until you find comic. Okay, this one, and in here just scroll down until you find a pixel art, this one, and click on the effect. Okay, so you can see this is the result. If you want to make a further adjustment, you can just click on the effect to adjust the color of the pixel art, the filter, the size, the amount of the effect, and also the atmosphere, like this. And when you're done, just click on a check icon and you can apply it to the entire clip like this. So that's all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.